Hi, this is Kate. Welcome again to my channel where I'm talking about skincare. This is the best time of my life that I love because I'm really loving it and taking care of my skin and no grandchildren running around, right? And so it's my me time. I hope someone out there is also going to say the same, that it's my me time. So this is my me time. And so, as I say today, I'm talking about the Demosonic Machine, which is a skincare product from Artistry, which is this one. And I've gone through the other episodes where I was talking of how to clear my skin, how to cleanse the skin. And now I'm at a point where I have to return the moisture back into my skin, the oils that I've taken off while I was clearing the skin, and now I'm going to take back and put them back, return them to the skin, so that it starts again to be rejuvenated and start looking good. Okay, so as I was talking about this product of the Artistry, just behind me there is the Artistry range of products which I use, because Artistry has got a huge range. So sometimes I would buy, then I don't finish that product, and then I sort of keep it again. But then this is what I do, but they are all there now. And because I'm a very keen follower when it comes to skincare, because I love my skin. From a young age, my mother was very strict. She wouldn't allow me to go out there without putting some pons on. So as you remember, at the age of probably 10, 12, and now, I'm here now. I'm still a very keen person when it comes to skincare. And so here I've got my Artistry Vitamin C. And this Vitamin C, it is from the Artistry product. And why did I start with the Vitamin C? If you follow me, you will see why I've started with the Vitamin C. It's because of the Demosonic. Now it comes here with two heads as well. And this one here and this one. Now in this one, there's something in here. Very unique indeed. So we'll take off this head. And we are going to there's some fluid in here, and so when we put it right here, it is going to come out